Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into an exciting topic that's taking the gaming world by storm: monetizing virtual gaming achievements. If you've ever spent hours grinding for that elusive trophy or leveling up your character, you might be sitting on a goldmine without even realizing it. Imagine turning those virtual wins into real cash. Sounds intriguing, right? In the ever-evolving landscape of gaming, players are discovering unconventional income streams that allow them to capitalize on their skills and achievements. From selling rare in-game items to streaming gameplay on platforms like Twitch, the opportunities are endless. Gamers are no longer just players. They're entrepreneurs, leveraging their passion for gaming to create financial opportunities. Think about it. Every time you conquer a challenging quest or unlock a rare achievement, you're not just enhancing your gaming experience, you're also building a portfolio of skills and assets that can be monetized. The gaming community is buzzing with stories of individuals who have turned their gaming prowess into a lucrative side hustle or even a full-time career. Whether it's through competitive gaming, creating content, or trading virtual goods, the potential for profit is immense. As we explore this topic, we'll highlight various methods that gamers can use to transform their virtual victories into tangible rewards. We'll discuss platforms that facilitate these transactions, share tips on how to maximize your earnings, and even touch on the legal aspects of monetizing your gaming achievements. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets of turning your gaming skills into cash, stick around. This video is packed with valuable insights that could change the way you think about your gaming journey. Let's get started. Virtual achievements are milestones or rewards that players earn through their accomplishments in video games. These can take various forms, including trophies, badges, and in-game currencies. For instance, you might earn a trophy for completing a challenging level or a badge for participating in a special event. In-game currencies, like coins or gems, can also be considered achievements, as they often require skill and dedication to accumulate. These virtual accolades not only signify progress within a game, but also serve as a testament to a player's commitment and expertise. The significance of virtual achievements extends far beyond mere bragging rights. Within the gaming community, these accomplishments foster a sense of belonging and camaraderie among players. When gamers share their achievements, whether through social media or in-game leaderboards, they create connections with others who appreciate the effort and skill involved. This social value is crucial, as it enhances the overall gaming experience and encourages players to strive for excellence. The emotional satisfaction derived from earning these achievements can be profound, providing a sense of accomplishment and motivation to continue playing. Moreover, virtual achievements can be leveraged for real-world benefits. As the gaming industry continues to grow, many players have found ways to monetize their achievements. For example, rare trophies or badges can be showcased on platforms like Twitch or YouTube, attracting viewers and potential sponsorships. Additionally, in-game currencies can sometimes be exchanged for real money or used to enhance a player's gaming experience, creating a tangible link between virtual success and real-world rewards. As the gaming landscape evolves, so do the opportunities for players to monetize their virtual achievements. There are several effective methods to turn your gaming skills and accomplishments into real cash, and we're here to explore some of the most popular options. One of the most straightforward ways to monetize virtual achievements is by selling in-game items on platforms like eBay and player auctions. These marketplaces allow gamers to list rare items, skins, or even entire accounts for sale. If you've spent countless hours grinding for that exclusive sword or collectible, you can turn that hard work into profit. Players are often willing to pay a premium for items that enhance their gaming experience, making this a viable option for those looking to cash in on their virtual victories. Another lucrative avenue is streaming your gameplay on platforms like Twitch or YouTube. By showcasing your skills and achievements, you can attract an audience that appreciates your gaming style. As your viewer base grows, you can generate income through ad revenue subscriptions and donations from fans. Engaging with your audience while sharing tips and tricks can further enhance your appeal, making your channel a go-to destination for fellow gamers. The more you build your brand, the more potential there is for sponsorships and partnerships with gaming companies. Additionally, consider offering coaching or guiding services to other players for a fee. If you excel in a particular game or have mastered specific strategies, many players are willing to pay for your expertise. This could involve one-on-one sessions, creating tutorial videos, or even writing guides. By sharing your knowledge, you not only help others improve their gaming skills, but also create a new income stream for yourself. In the world of gaming, there are countless inspiring examples of individuals who have successfully monetized their achievements and turned their passion into a full-time career. These gamers and influencers have not only made a name for themselves, but have also paved the way for others to follow in their footsteps. One notable success story is Tyler Ninja Blevins, who skyrocketed to fame through his Fortnite gameplay. Ninja leveraged his exceptional skills and engaging personality to build a massive following on Twitch and YouTube. His strategy involved consistent streaming, interacting with fans, and collaborating with other popular gamers and celebrities. Despite facing challenges such as the pressure to maintain his audience and the ever-changing gaming landscape, Ninja's dedication and hard work paid off, leading to lucrative sponsorship deals and a multi-million-dollar brand. Another inspiring figure is Pokimane, a prominent streamer and content creator known for her engaging personality and diverse gaming content. She started by sharing her gameplay on Twitch and quickly grew her audience through her authenticity and relatability. Pokimane faced challenges, including online criticism and the need to balance her personal life with her streaming career. However, her commitment to her craft and her ability to adapt to viewer preferences helped her build a successful brand, leading to partnerships with major companies and a thriving YouTube channel. These success stories highlight that monetizing gaming achievements is indeed possible with dedication and the right strategies. While the journey may come with its challenges, the rewards can be significant. Gamers who are willing to invest time in honing their skills, engaging with their audience, and exploring various monetization methods can find themselves on a path to success. If you're eager to monetize your gaming achievements, you're in the right place. Here are some actionable tips to help you kickstart your journey and turn your passion into profit. First and foremost, take some time to identify your strengths and unique gaming skills. Are you particularly good at strategy games, or do you excel in first-person shooters? Understanding what sets you apart will help you focus your efforts and market yourself effectively. Whether it's your ability to achieve high scores, complete challenging quests, or create engaging content, knowing your niche will give you a competitive edge. Next, consider starting small. If you're looking to sell in-game items, begin by listing a few rare items or skins on platforms like eBay or player auctions. This will allow you to get a feel for the market and understand what buyers are looking for. Alternatively, if you're interested in streaming, start by casually broadcasting your gameplay on platforms like Twitch or YouTube. You don't need to have the fanciest equipment right away. Just focus on being authentic and engaging with your audience. As you gain confidence and experience, you can gradually invest in better gear and expand your content. Another crucial tip is to stay informed about gaming trends and market demands. The gaming industry is constantly evolving, with new games, updates, and trends emerging regularly. Follow gaming news, join online communities, and engage with fellow gamers to keep your finger on the pulse. Understanding what's popular can help you tailor your content and offerings to meet the needs of your audience. As we wrap up this exploration of monetizing virtual gaming achievements, let's recap the key points we've discussed. Turning your virtual wins into real cash is not just a dream, it's a tangible opportunity that many gamers are already capitalizing on. We've highlighted various methods, including selling in-game items on platforms like eBay and player auctions, streaming your gameplay on Twitch or YouTube, and even offering coaching services to fellow players. The potential for creating unconventional income streams in the gaming world is immense. With dedication and creativity, you can leverage your gaming prowess to build a brand, connect with the community, and generate revenue. Whether you're a casual player or a competitive gamer, there's a path for you to explore. The stories of successful gamers we shared earlier serve as a testament to what's possible when you combine passion with strategy. Now we want to hear from you. Have you ever thought about monetizing your gaming achievements? What methods are you most excited to try? Your engagement is important to us, and we'd love to foster a conversation in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, please consider subscribing to our channel for more gaming content. Don't forget to like and share this video with your fellow gamers who might be interested in turning their virtual victories into real-world rewards. Together, we can build a community of gamers who support each other in achieving our goals. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.